In this video, I will show you the debugger mode. When my program is not doing what I expected, what am I supposed to do? You have to understand a program is something that happens extremely fast, and it is almost impossible for a human to know what happened, when did the program went through a piece of code or not, what was the values inside the variables step by step. To do so, we will put what we will call breakpoints. To put breakpoints, only left click on the left line here, pointing the number of the line this way, left click, and the red dot will appear. That's a breakpoint. I will put 2 breakpoints, and let's jump into it. We will run for the first time this main method on the debugger mode. To do it, you have many ways. First way is to do right click as usual on the class you want to run, but hit debug. Or you can do it this way, right click, debug, or even this way, right click, debug, or if you already run one time, you can do it on the top here with the small bug here. Okay, so here we go. I'm running on the debugger my main method. And the first thing that will happen is I will hit the breakpoint and my program will stop, will wait at this expression. A really important thing to understand at this point is the program stopped before executing the line 20. So it is about to execute this expression, but it is not done yet, okay? So I can check on my console here while I'm doing the debugger. I can check also the threads and variables and their states. So in this case, you have 2 options for a beginner. You can hit the step over button. That will make you jump to the next expression the program is going to evaluate. In this case, we will jump to line 21, and this expression will be executed. Basically, as you remember, it's just declaring a variable of type byte, calling it a, and writing the value 4 inside it. So after hitting the step over button, I will jump to the line 21 before doing it, but line 20 will be executed. Let's do it. As you can see, in this small part of IntelliJ, threads and variables, we can see we have a variable called a with 4 inside it. So we know at this point we are absolutely sure that we have the value 4 inside a. I can keep hitting the step over button, and this way my program will do step by step what it is supposed to do. Okay, so I can see my variables that are starting to be initialized with values inside it. So that's pretty much it for the step over button. So let's play now with the resume program button. I will rerun, restart my main method on the debugger, and one more time I'm before executing the line 20. When I am going to hit the resume program button, I will jump immediately to the next breakpoint. This way. See? So the differences between those two buttons are step over is I want to do the immediately next step. Resume is I want to hit the next breakpoint. Okay. So I wanted to show you what's happening when I'm doing this on a nested loop we already saw together. This is pretty interesting. So I putted my two breakpoints, line 7 and line 11. One breakpoint at the beginning of the outer loop and one at the beginning of the inner loop. Let's start this on a debug mode. And as you can see, I'm hitting the first breakpoint, no problem. When I'm going to do step over, let's see what's happening. This is interesting, isn't it? I'm hitting one more time, and we can see that we are executing the inner loop step by step. We see our program working inside the for loop with the variables on the right. I love IntelliJ because it's really clear and things are really clear. And yeah, everything is easy to understand. You can see the variables here with their value inside. This is really awesome. You can see I changing slowly, J changing also. Look, J is 2, 3 now, 4 now, step over, boom, then back to the outer loop. And here we go again. And we can, by the way, hit the console as we are doing this, and we can see the outputs starting to appear on the console. All right. So one more time, I'm going to do it with the resume button this time instead of the step over to see the differences. As you already understood, if I'm hitting resume program now, I'm going to jump directly to the line 20. And if I'm hitting it again, I will jump to the next time I'm hitting the for loop. So what's going on in the console when I'm doing this? This is slightly different between the first time when I hit step over, because when I was hitting step over's button, we were seeing the outprint. This time we are jumping right to the line 11 without jumping to the outprint. But it's more or less pretty much the same. And let's play one last time. I'm hitting the console button to know what's going to happen in our output. I'm at the first breakpoint, and if I'm hitting the resume program, look, yeah, it did everything inside the block of code, the inner loop also, making all the outputs about the days, and it is waiting to start the second turn of our outer loop. I'm hitting resume program again, week 2 and week 3. So this is the first time for you. I know it's a bit strange, but as you noticed, there are many other options. We will see those other buttons in the next lectures, but for now, I highly recommend you to only play with breakpoints, making sure you understand how it is working. Put the breakpoints, play with the step over button, the resume program button in the old exercises we did together. And once you feel a bit comfortable with this, I'll catch you in the next lecture.